Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, here to guide you through the world of reliability engineering certifications. Today we're going to delve into the top credentials in the field, providing you with the information you need to elevate your skills and advance your career. Stay tuned as we discuss the ins and outs of each certification, including what they cover, who grants them, and how they can boost your professional growth. Let's talk about the top reliability engineering certifications. These are the CMMS, the CRE, the CRL, and the ARP. These professional certifications are a great way for those in reliability-centered maintenance to boost their training and education and prepare themselves for career advancements. First up, we have the Certified Maintenance and Reliability Professional. This certification is granted by the Society of Maintenance and Reliability Professionals. It's designed to train and evaluate professionals on a range of topics, including business and management, manufacturing process reliability, equipment reliability, organization and leadership, and work management. Next, we have the Certified Reliability Engineer. This certification is granted by the ASQ, an organization committed to providing enhanced expertise, professional networks, tools, and solutions for its members. To achieve this certification, you'll need to master a range of skills, including design review and control, prediction, estimation, and apportionment methodology, failure mode effects and analysis, and much more. You'll also need to have at least 8 years of experience in a related area, with 3 of those years in a decision-making role for a business. The third certification we're going to talk about is the Certified Reliability Leader. This certification is offered by the Association of Asset Management Professionals, or AMP. It's based on a body of knowledge that focuses on reliability with the aim of achieving economic prosperity, environmental sustainability, and social responsibility. You'll be tested on reliability engineering for maintenance, asset condition management, work execution management, reliability leadership, and asset management. Last but not least, we have the Asset Reliability Practitioner certification. This one is sponsored by the Mobius Institute and covers reliability philosophy and culture, reliability strategy, reliability audits, leadership, and leadership audits. The program and exams were created by 2 independent committees of experienced consultants, educators, and reliability professionals, and candidates are evaluated by an independently accredited board. Now let's shift gears a bit and talk about some lubrication and oil analysis certifications. The International Council for Machinery Lubrication offers 9 different levels of certification, while the Society for Tribology and Lubrication Engineers has 4 programs. These certifications are a great way for maintenance technicians, managers, and other professionals to deepen their knowledge in lubrication and oil analysis. The International Council for Machinery Lubrication's certifications cover 4 different areas of responsibility. There are 3 levels available for machine lubricant analysts, 3 levels for laboratory lubrication analysts, 2 levels for machinery lubrication technicians, and 1 level for machinery lubrication engineers. Each level is designed to cater to different roles and responsibilities within the lubrication and oil analysis field. On the other hand, the Society for Tribology and Lubrication Engineers offers 4 technical certification programs. You can earn the titles of Certified Lubrication Specialist, Certified Metalworking Fluid Specialist, and Certified Oil Monitoring Analyst 1 or 2. Just like the other certifications we've discussed, these are evaluated by a board using top certification practices. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at the top reliability engineering certifications and some lubrication and oil analysis certifications. These certifications are a great way to boost your skills, knowledge, and career prospects in the field of maintenance and reliability. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the top reliability engineering certifications and lubrication and oil analysis certifications. We hope this information helps you in your quest to advance your career. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information, please visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.